This is my friend Chayenne. We met in junior high. That's me, and that's Chayenne. Look, she said in my yearbook. Hey Camille, have fun over the summer. You are a great friend, and I hope you stay the same. Chayenne. We were in classes together throughout junior high and high school, but our friendship really didn't take a turn until we hit college. I guess UCI really wanted to keep the Memorial kids together, so they assigned both of us into the same building. Our dorms were literally down the hall from each other. Then Rianne moved into our dorm and it was game over. We did everything together, from rom-com and One Tree Hill marathons to adventuring to making random videos. We even hung out during our spring and winter breaks. We naturally decided to live together until we all graduated college. Rianne graduated first, a year early, and then the two of us followed. Yes, that's us at the Obama graduation ceremony. Fast forward 8 years and now it's time for Cheyenne to get married. But first, her Big Bear Bachelorette. Good morning, you guys. We made it out to Big Bear last night. Got in super late just because there was traffic along the 5, but thankfully I did not get car sick, so that was a plus for me. Usually I do, but the place is so cute. It has two stories. There is a room with 2 double beds. That's the place that me and Rihanna are staying in, and it has its own bathroom. And then when you go upstairs, the thing that I don't like is the spiral staircase because I feel like I'm gonna fall every time. But besides that, once you get upstairs, it's so beautiful. I love the layout of the entire place. It's definitely my vibes in the style. The living room is nice and open, so perfect for a bachelorette party. And then there's 2 rooms upstairs, one for Cheyenne and her sister Tasha, and then the other one, Cheyenne's cousin and friend from Irvine is also going to be staying in the twin bedroom one. We are all getting ready because we are going to go sledding. So hopefully, I couldn't find my snow boots, so we're just rocking my rain boots. Fingers crossed that will be enough.
I don't really think that's true.
I hope I don't die.
Do you think you're gonna be able to make it out of the parking lot, or?
Yeah.
Actually, I don't think I've ever done sledding, which is weird.
I'm gonna freak out. Please don't go towards me. Do not. Wow, that was pretty, actually.
And her red finger. I want to see on the camera. We're trying to play a game of if you can go to who we tell you to go to.
Okay.
Okay, toss it to me. Oh no! Oh my god!
Wait, this is much slower. You have more control.
Set, go!
Oh no!
Let's just find out any blue jeans in me. Running through everything, running through
That was such a bad snowball.
I can play the game.
Oh, really?
Sledding next to our Airbnb was so much fun. But now it's time for some poke. I know what you're thinking. Poke in the middle of the forest? I thought the same. But Tropicali is the #1 restaurant in California according to Yelp. And when everyone's still in a good mood, even though the line's out the door, you know it's good. So even though we're headed to Hawaii after this, we had to give it a shot. Kyle, he recommended the kraken, but since I like cucumbers, he said to add in the cucumbers. And then also since I like some spice, but I don't want to die, he said to add in the hot sauce. I think it's called Lava Boss, but it's the same hot sauce as the Pele one. But yeah, I'm excited.
You ended up getting poke. Yeah, I got the kraken one. It's really good. Thank you. Yeah. No. Can you remind me to drink water? Because I feel like I'm just making pineapple drink the whole time.
Oh, it's so refreshing. It's really good. I feel like I'm drinking flowers though.
What?
I have snow in my pocket. I went in and I'm like, what the heck?
Yeah. Why do you have two loads of snow? Oh, it's so cute.
I'm gonna stand up. Wait.
I didn't know if I hit your little family. I'm sorry.
You can go ahead.
No, go closer. Go closer. Spare the family.
You can do it. You can do it.
Don't make it a broken home.
We watched The Parent Trap, then headed back into town for dinner. The downside about Big Bear is that there's a lot of places that don't do takeout, and if you don't have reservations, which you physically need to be there to reserve, it's gonna take a while to get seated. To kill some time, we picked up some drinks to keep us warm. We ended up at Oakside, but to be real, the service was cool, but it was very underwhelming. But that's how it is when you're traveling in a new place. Food can sometimes be a hit or miss, but our good combos made up for it. After this, we headed home, and the real Bachelorette festivities began.
Ooh, broke it. Well. Ooh. I'm so excited. Go.
Dang! It's so strong!
Papa, Blake! Papa,
You can't say that!
First!
You can't
Oh,
say
I like
that!
Blake doesn't count? Wait, what was it?
Yes, it
I'm sorry.
Animals. Pets. The movie. The Pets.
Do you remember that?
Yes.
No sound effects! Have you never watched 300?
We are about to head out. We're packing everything up in the Airbnb and cleaning up. So we'll see you on the road.
I can be
Oh, I'm so sorry.
just a symptom of forgotten slip.
I forgot it in the front.
The vision now set me in the corner now and technicolors.
It was my first time at Big Bear, so I had no idea about this. After we checked out, we had to bring our trash and recyclables to the town's trash site. There was a long line, which went by pretty fast, so I'm guessing it wasn't just our Airbnb that enforced this.
Where'd Riette go? I was wondering if she went that way or not.
So we're just walking around. We left the group. They're in line right now because we wanted to go back to Tropicali.
Because it's the best freaking cookie ever. Yeah.
And Rianne's been to Hawaii.
I've been to Maui and Oahu.
And you say this poke is better?
I really like it. I don't know. Like the fish is so like melt in your mouth.
Yeah.
It's so good. And I'm not like a big tuna fan.
Yeah, usually I get salmon.
Yeah, but in Hawaii, tuna's like the norm.
Yeah,
But this tuna was just bomb.
delicious. This time I asked him what I should get if I wanted more spicy, and he suggested something off the menu, which is the Krakatoa. It's a mix of the Pele and the Kraken bowl. And then he also told me to get more of the Lava Boss sauce, so. Whew. I also got the, what is this called? This is Passion Orange Guava, but it's a Tropical Gangster. Going into the Bachelorette trip, I was pretty anxious because I didn't plan it, I wasn't super close with everybody in the party, and I heard the road up the mountain gets you super car sick, which tends to happen to me more often than not. Thankfully, we made sure we went on the least windy route and the girls let me take the passenger seat. I'm glad every bridesmaid showed up to celebrate Cheyenne. The sledding and games really helped break the ice. Aside from Tropicali, which I'm still dreaming about the Krakatoa, I still prefer Lake Tahoe. What can I say? I'm a NorCal girl at heart. Overall, it was a great trip, and I'm so happy to be reunited with my UCI sisters. Next vlog, we're gonna get our girl married.
Bye! See you in Hawaii!
You okay, Chayenne?
Yeah, my head hurts a little bit.
So you're gonna hug a dick? Okay.
I had to.
I'm over it.
No!